Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat please take your connection error. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are encountering a please take your connection error on Snapchat, here are several steps that you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching in between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists on both networks. If that's not the case, then update your Snapchat. Make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. For that, open up the Play Store. Then on the search bar, search for Snapchat. And if you get update option where I have opened, tap on update and update your Snapchat application. Once the application is updated, open up the Snapchat and check whether the problem has been solved or not. If not, then try clearing the cache for Snapchat app. For that, open up the settings application. Then tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. From here, search for Snapchat. Then tap on Snapchat. Now from this page, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. That will remove the junk file of Snapchat on your device and can sometimes resolve temporary issue with the app. If clearing the cache doesn't help you again, then restart your device. A device restart can help clear temporary system issue that may be causing connectivity problem. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. And then again open Snapchat and check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the issue persists, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat application. Uninstall your Snapchat app and again install that from Google Play Store. Then log into your account and that might help you to solve the problem. So that's how you can fix Snapchat please take your connection error. If this video was helpful, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.